Dodge has done something remarkable in its history. It has launched an electric muscle car, the Dodge Hornet. Wow, it looks awesome. So exciting, and we are on it. Now we're bringing you to tropical and vibrant Miami South Beach to get an intimate look at this landmark reveal. The annual Miami International Auto Show, held at the newly redesigned and renovated Miami Beach Convention Center, was the perfect setting for this vehicle reveal. After all, we love our fast cars in Miami. Take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification button so that you'll get all the newest shows. Now back to the show. This badass Hornet has a new attitude, new design, and a whole lot more stuff. We're going to be talking to Fernando of Dodge about it, the performance, style, and what makes this Hornet a head-turner. Let me set the scene. The morning began with mimosas and a breakfast reception for the Southern Automotive Media Association journalists, of which I now serve as president. The program began with Stellantis representative Kimberly Schultz and what we all came for.
This is one of the first regional auto shows that the 2023 Dodge Hornet has been to. It was at Detroit earlier, but so you guys are privileged to see it first.
Fernando spoke about why design, style, and performance matters.
In and day out, right? The two-door 800 horsepower beast is not a daily driver for most people. So we've tried to remove those barriers, right? We have Charger, that's the only muscle car with 4 doors, right? We have Durango, which is the most powerful SUV out there. And Hornet is essentially expanding that idea, right? We want to remove barriers of entry to the brotherhood of muscles.
Fernando gave me a brief overview, pointing out some of the features that he likes before we get into the details. He also shared some of the thoughts behind the new Hornet design and performance cues.
We're extremely excited to be bringing the Dodge interpretation of the compact UV, right? It's a huge segment with a lot of players. Hornet's gonna bring the Dodge looks, Dodge attitude, and the Dodge bragging rights, right? It's gonna be the most powerful compact UV out there in both our powertrains. We have an all-ICE engine on the GT, and we have a brand new electrified architecture in an RT that's gonna deliver us more performance through an electrified powertrain and a plug-in hybrid.
When we're looking at the outside as far as this design is concerned, this really does say something. Definitely has attitude and it takes a stance, and I'm loving the stripes that are going on right there.
Hornet has the very Dodge-like features, right? The hood scoops, the very aggressive front end. You'll see when we take a tour around the back, you'll see the race track tail lights. But this one in particular, you got yourself a treat here in the Miami Auto Show, because this is the GLH. It's connecting us to our heritage of muscle. And those who know that GLH stands for goes like hell, right?
Fernando explained that the Dodge Hornet Direct Connection team are developing new parts and components.
This is a brand new, all new canvas for us to play with, right? So this one has, like you said, the matte hood, the matte roof, a killer set of 20-inch wheels. So it's giving us a connection to the past and a reinterpretation of this GLH look.
Fernando walked me around the Hornet, giving me insight on the details from front to back that makes this car special. I asked him about the design cues that distinguish it in the segment, and he showed me the subtle lines, sport performance elements, unique materials, and aerodynamic lines. Here are some stats to consider. The level 1 120-volt charger takes about 7.5 hours for a full recharge, while the level 2 240-volt charger can reduce this to 2.5 hours. The MSRP starts at $39,995. Cargo volume, anywhere from 23 to 27 cubic feet. The new Dodge Hornet is a statement for Dodge, representing a new, exciting chapter for Dodge with this all-electric muscle car. Now that's it for this edition of Autofocus World. Be sure to come back and join us for the next episode. And don't forget to follow us on social media.
My Miami, it's a one-of-a-kind combination of bold, vibrant art, warm waters, and extraordinary trails. It's what I like to call my art venturous side. This is My Miami. What's yours?